You have entered a bizarre and magical realm, a dimension of despair and promise, a kind of twilight zone, if you like, a place where the endless abundance forged by the universe and the boundless creativity of the biosphere have recently been ignored at our peril, yet a place where treasure lies hidden just behind the veil supporting the prejudice of man. You have entered the world of waste. This particular twilight zone gets its strangeness from the fact that prior to the emergence of modern civilization, there simply was no such thing. Not in all of human history, and not in all of prehistory. Waste does not exist in nature, and it didn't exist for 99% of the human experience on our planet. It's a recent human construct, a contemporary fantasy like the fictional concepts of race and finding biologically useless manicured lawns desirable. This twilight zone gets its magic from the fact that turning useful materials into waste requires a warped and ignorant kind of imagination, while the alchemy of turning organic and inorganic residuals in production and consumption outputs back into incredibly useful and valuable industrial and domestic inputs utilizes the best of human creativity coupled with the magic inherent in biology, chemistry, and physics, magic that makes our planet unique in the solar system. This course explores why we waste, what we waste, when we waste, where we waste, and how we waste. It also frames and invites solutions-oriented discussion about how we can eliminate waste, sending it back into the realm of the bizarre and absurd, into those dark recesses of human stupidity that also spawned nonsensical notions like slavery and genocide. The reality of waste is also unconscionably evil, causing untold misery and suffering through pollution and disease, and deprivation and deforestation and poverty, and warfare and extinction and economy-disrupting inefficiencies. No amount of rebranding or obfuscation as negative externalities or deadweight losses can clean up the nightmare of waste. But as you will discover in the course of this course, ending the reign of waste is actually easy from a technical standpoint, and so half this course is devoted to very detailed solutions for each of the major categories of things we waste. The course is organized into 4 major regions that we invite you to navigate. They can be approached in any order that excites your imagination and interest, as long as you visit them all. Think of them as islands in a federation of insights and solutions which, once connected by the bridges of your intellect, offer a United Nations of nexus best practices that can spawn the zero-waste utopia we are all seeking. Now, over here, in this region of the map, we have the realm of philosophy, where we explore the anthropology of waste, its historical socioeconomic rationale, and the new economics of industrial ecology. Now, here in this region, we explore the physics of waste, its thermodynamics, and the resulting political ecology that makes getting rid of it in capitalist and socialist and communist economies of accumulation as power so difficult. Now, over on this part, on this part of the map, we explore zero-waste solutions for the types of waste that we are all most familiar with the domestic, household, and community wastes that we are responsible for every day. Now, these are the wastes that you and I have direct control over, but seem to not really want to commit to taking care of. And in this region of the map, we explore the kinds of wastes that industries and businesses and governments produce, wastes that sometimes seems are beyond our control, but which, as we will show, our individual behaviors and actions can dramatically affect, and which actually may hold the key to changing our behaviors without us even knowing it. Your task is to visit each of these bizarre and magical lands and report back to us not just what you find, but the ideas you relate to as you go on your journey. Ultimately, it's up to you to be the change. So choose your compass bearing, set your sails, and let's get moving. Beyond the Twilight Zone, into the world of waste. But hurry, there's not a moment to... well, you know what I mean.